How to change video background in CapCut without using any green screen. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video by App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change video background in CapCut without using any green screen. So let's get started. First, open up your CapCut and tap on a new project. Now select both your video and then your background. After you do that, you will see your video and your background. So I'll just put the video down here, tap on overlay and put it in front. So I'll just scroll this here and put this right here. Now what I'll do is I'll just select this one, scroll to here, and there I'll find an option called remove background. Now it should be somewhere around here. Just search for an option called remove background. And if you have the auto removal option, great, you can use that. But if you don't, you can simply use the custom one. So all you need to do here is choose the brush one and tap on this. Just go through with this here. Just use the brush and try to be precise. And after you've done this, you will need to just, use it like a paintbrush, paint it here. And after you do that, you can just wait for some time. You'll see applying feature. And after you do that, you will notice your background has been removed. Now it will take some time to load, so just give it some time to load, and after it loads, the background should get changed. Now you can export this video and you're good to go. So yeah, that is how you do it, guys. That is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.